Welcome and congratulations on purchasing your new version of the Crowdstrike's maintenance token tool for, well, uninstalling Crowdstrike. So as you're probably well aware, the purpose of this tool is to assist you in uninstalling Crowdstrike as you go about and actually need that uninstall token. So kind of after you purchase the solution, you'll get an email and be able to download this CSMAT MSI. I highly recommend you run it through a virus scanner of any sorts if you like, but I developed it myself, so I'm not necessarily going to do that. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and install this. I don't need to install it as admin, so I'm just going to double click. It's going to pull up a screen like this, just as your standard wizard. Going to pretty much walk through next, finish. It does give you the prompt for an install location, so it automatically pulls your local app data, so it's only going to install under that user's profile. Next, finish. All right. After that finishes, you should be able to come on over and grab this CS maintenance token tool here. This will actually be displayed on your desktop. We're going to double click that so I can go ahead and get the little actual application. And here it is. So with the application in hand now, we're going to go ahead and fill that in with the information that we have already gathered from Crowdstrike. So pretty much you have to request an API key with the sensor update policy available to you. That is denoted in the documentation as well, so I will show that real quick. Alright, yes, this page here. So pretty much if you go to github.com/itbenchmark/cs-mat, so Crowdstrike and -maintenance is what this is supposed to be standing for. But anyways, there is a little README here that kind of walks through exactly what you'll need for this solution. The PowerShell module should be downloaded for you automatically. You don't necessarily need that. PowerShell NuGet should be downloaded already on your machine as well, probably part of the standard package. So this is just prerequisites that you don't necessarily have to install, but that do come. This is necessary on the other hand, so you will need the API client from your Crowdstrike instance in order to actually do this tool, and it needs the, again, sensor update policies with write access. Alright, with that being said, let's go ahead and move forward. This is case sensitive on the machine names, so case sensitive meaning the case of the machine that is listed in Crowdstrike, not the case that is just of the machine, like a host name, right, on that machine. So with that being said, if you have an issue, just try capitalizing it. I just happen to know there's a VDI available this right here in this console, so I'm going to go ahead and process that. Should take about 5 to 10 seconds to kick back and pretty much come back with a successful result. In this case, this is the maintenance token for this actual individual machine, so I would be able to uninstall at that point, right? That's pretty much that. Let me show just some error handling. So I'm going to go ahead and non-capitalize this D letter here, and you'll see what you'll get. You will get an error, right? So it kicks back, pretty much couldn't find the machine. You're going to say continue, and your error message is going to kind of give you some indication of what's going on, right? Check the spelling. Pretty much we couldn't find this device ID. Check the spelling and capitalization, right? So just make sure you're getting that correct. That's really about it. If you have any questions or concerns or run into any issues, feel free to email us at contact@itbenchmark.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you, guys.